guys. Well, thank you again so much for joining me and celebrating. Kurt is our latest success story and soon to be big success story with SprayNet. So Kurt, I'm just going to let you kind of introduce yourself and where your location is and give yourself a little, your first marketing plug.
My name is Kurt Schamberger. I'm located in the Kansas City area. I'm on the Kansas side, but I just bought my first franchise in SprayNet, doing exterior painting and cabinet refinishing, a few other things. So pretty excited about it.
Very good. Kurt, tell everybody what you did before.
Before I had worked in mainly commercial construction, like project manager role. Then I got into sales, business development for contractors and manufacturers as well.
Okay.
So I have a little bit of sales, a little bit of operations background. I've taken a couple companies and really grown them. And what brought me to SprayNet was the opportunity to do it for myself. Instead of just getting a little bit of a paycheck and nothing comes to you at the end. So.
All right, good for you. That's awesome. So Ben is on, and Ben helped us kind of explain the whole brand to Kurt. This one's a little bit different. It's not just kind of a run-of-the-mill Jimmy John's, right? So Ben, you get to give us your 20-second elevator speech. What's SprayNet?
I love it. Yeah, so where SprayNet really falls is bridging the gap between the traditional painting model with all of the benefits that come along with replacing or buying like new. So think of the speed and affordability that comes with traditional painting. We compete with the average painting concept, but we provide a on-site factory finish in as little as 1 day with a 15-year no-peel warranty. So very, very unique concept, a lot of technology that goes into it, and we could talk about it all day, but was really excited for Kurt when he came in, knew kind of from the get-go, just based on his background, track record in the construction industry, so he had an understanding of how it works a little bit, and then has a track record of building businesses, like you said, and just excited for him to start building wealth for himself. I think the sky's the limit there in Overland Park where he's at. It's right for this opportunity, and we're excited to see him get rolling.
Awesome, me too. When we first showed it to him, I'm like, okay, if I had to reach to the computer, right, Kurt? I said, look at this one. This is a good one, right? So I'm glad.
Yes, you did.
So a little bit about that. So just about the process, because this took a while, right? I mean, this wasn't a 2 weeks and I know which one I want, right? So kind of tell other people like you about what you thought of the process of getting to that, because you didn't really know in the beginning. You knew maybe services, right? But that was about where we stopped.
Yeah, so Lisa introduced herself towards the beginning of the year, and I had just recently started a new job. Really wasn't looking to dive headfirst into something. I was more or less looking for some supplemental income, maybe be a part of something. She showed me lots of things that are franchises where I could do that, and then some that would take a little bit more attention. And the more and more I looked at it, a lot of the ones that didn't require much attention didn't interest me. And so she kept putting SprayNet actually and a few other ones in front of me. Well, take a look at this. And at first I was trying to avoid it because I wasn't planning on leaving my job. But the more and more I got involved and read more about it, got to go to some of the discovery meetings, the more intrigued I was, basically. And this was definitely not a quick process. So it took a lot of me being patient and kind of convincing myself that what I'm looking at is real. And both Lisa and Ben were very patient with me because I was probably dragging my feet a little bit more than I needed. But I did feel comfortable with it. Eventually, I got to the point where I made a decision to sign on it. Pretty excited about it. Really.
All right, very good. We're excited for you. Thanks so much for trusting us
100%.
A lot too. And I think at this point, it's usually that we have more confidence than you do, right? Because we kind of can see your future. So we're like, he's gonna kill it, right? So I'm excited to talk to you in about 6 months and hear hear how quickly you caught on and are kind of marching toward that.
Yeah, I'm
First-
looking forward to getting you on some validation calls with our some new candidates in the process. That's for sure.
Absolutely. All right, guys. So this is where we say congratulations, cheers, and get your confetti poppers ready. Here we go. We'll go.
All right.
Wait, I have to make sure I'm spinning it. Okay, ready? Your right direction. 3,
Ready.
2, 1.
Amy? Okay, good.
It worked.
Ah,
So congratulations, Kurt. Thank you so much.
Congrats, Kurt.
I'm so excited
Yeah.
for you. And I still want a spray net in Appleton, Wisconsin, if anyone out there is listening.
Kurt, I'll be in touch, buddy. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing what you can do.
Sounds great. Thanks,
Bye,
guys.
guys. Thank
Thanks,
you.
guys. Bye-bye.